Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I am Misty and today is New Year's Day. Now y'all probably won't see this on New Year's Day, but know when I'm making the video is New Year's Day. And what do you have to have on New Year's? Well, if you're from the South, you're gonna eat black-eyed peas. So I got a brand new Instant Pot duo that I'm gonna try out today, and we're gonna make some black-eyed peas. I am so excited about this. I do have a Power Pressure Pro, and I absolutely love it, and I will continue to use it, but I wanted 2 pressure cookers so I could do 2 things at once. So we got the Instant Pot duo, so I'm really excited to show you. Okay, what I want to start with is salt pork. I've got 2 of them, and we're going to cook those first, and then we'll do our peas. So I'm put them in the Instant Pot, and I'm adding about a cup of water, maybe a little bit more. And then we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to cook the lid on, seal it. Cool thing about the Instant Pot is it makes noise to you. It sings to you when you get going. And then we're going to put this over on the locked position. We're going to hit the meat. We're going to bring the time down to 15 minutes. Okay, so we're going to cook this up for 15 minutes, and I'll bring you back and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Okay, so our timer has went off. We're going to do a quick release on it. While that's releasing, I have made up some boxed cornbread mix. I've also added some of the ham seasoning to it. Because, I mean, you can't have black-eyed peas and not some cornbread, right? Okay, so we're going to pop this off in the oven. So we're going to turn it. Remember, always lift it away from your face. And we've got some great juice in here that is going to taste so good on our black-eyed peas. So this is what we're going to add to it. I have some black-eyed peas that I've washed real good. Put those in there. I have a half an onion. And then we're going to add some seasonings to it. First and foremost, garlic. Because if you've been around my channel long, you know we like garlic. Some black pepper. I'm not adding a lot of salt to this because the salt pork is very salty. So, and I'm adding some Slap Your Mama, and it's got salt in it as well. So, all right, to that, I'm adding a box of chicken broth. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Alright, we are going to put our lid back on, and we're going to cook it for another 15 minutes and see how much longer we need to go. Okay, our timer has gone off. I've hit the quick release and it's depressurizing now. I will say this about the Instant Pot versus my other pressure cooker, it releases a lot quicker. So that's definitely a positive. Okay, it's dropped down. Let's open this up and see how they turned out. Okay, when you cook beans or anything else, you always want to try about 5 beans. That will give you a good idea if your beans are done. Perfect. 18 minutes was perfect on this. So, We'll put some up in a bowl. We've got some good cornbread. I'll probably cut the salt pork up, add that to it. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I want to wish you and your family the best New Year's ever. May 2021 be so much better than 2020. Love you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we will see you on the next video. Hey everybody, this is Misty with Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you enjoyed today's video, I encourage you to check out these other great videos that I've got here in the playlist. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen.